When you want to magnify one specific part of your video and not zoom the entire screen, you can do it with OpenShot Free Video Editor, and I'll show you how in less than 3 minutes. Now let's watch the finished effect. This is useful when you're talking about something and suddenly need to pop up an enlarged image on the screen. OpenShot doesn't have a built-in magnify effect, but we can work around that and create one. So import your video from the plus sign and then pull it down to the timeline. Now pull your playhead over to where you want the effect to start. Right-click on the playhead, slice all, and keep right side. Then pull the playhead for the distance that you want the effect to last. Do the same, right-click on the playhead, slice all, and keep left side. Leave this in place, don't move it. You'll see why in just a moment. Next, we need to remove the audio from this clip so it doesn't interfere with the final. Right-click on the clip, go to Volume, over to Entire Clip, down to Level 0, and click. Now there's no sound associated with this clip. Now we're going to use the transform effect to get around the fact that OpenShot doesn't offer a magnify effect. Look up top on the right, and if you see transform, you're good. If not, right-click on the clip, select transform, and you will see these blue handles pop up around the preview window. Go over with your mouse. When you get the double arrows, push Control, push your left mouse button, and pull that out as large as you would like. Let go. Then take your mouse, move over, select your left mouse button, and drag this to wherever you would like it to be highlighted. And let go. Now we have our clip. We've removed the audio, we've enlarged it. We can pull our full video down to the track below it and it lines up exactly where we intended. Now we can play it through and see if we get the desired effect. And that's how you magnify part of a video in OpenShot Free Video Editor. If you want more lessons like this that answer questions without wasting time, just come back to see us. If you have questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.